Hey, what's up guys? My name is Abe and this is Sam, and we're going to be installing the Invidia Q300 on his 2018 Subaru WRX. He's going to go over what he's already got done to his car, and then after that we'll get a current exhaust sound clip for his car.
So right now I have the MA Performance Stage 2 package, which includes a J-pipe and an intake, along with the Cobb access port, and I'm also running the E32. So the first thing we're going to do is take off these mufflers, which include two 14mm bolts, one on each side, same right here, and there are two exhaust hangers up there and right there on both sides.
Going the wrong way.
Hold on, my hand.
Snap the bolt.
Hammer it down.
Dave, it's like you're golfing. You're swinging, you're following through.
Yep.
Just practice.
Got his caddy in really good though.
Sure. Shut up. My hand hurts from holding this, man.
I know my arm hurts too.
Oh my god. I'm guessing you gotta hold this way. Is this the right way, Abe?
I don't know.
I don't want to break my face.
Jesus Christ. What the hell did you put this on with?
I tightened the shit out of it, apparently.
Well, yeah.
Too many uggas. That works.
Yep.
Right. That works. Awesome. Straight pipe.
Snapped another.
So what I'm going to do now is spray BB Blaster onto these exhaust hangers, make them loose so the mufflers can come out a lot easier.
Alright Sam, so what are we doing next?
Now we're gonna unbolt these two that connects to the J-pipe, and then there is one exhaust hanger right over here that we need to take off. It's shiny like a diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond. Alright Sam, so what are we about to do?
We're about to do a sound clip on J-pipe only, so it should be pretty loud.
Now this is just for funsies. We want to see what it's just like, guys. That is one loud boy. Holy. Man, that's loud. Sam, so what are we gonna do next?
So now what we're gonna do is connect a portion of the cat bag exhaust to the white pipe right here so the exhaust can hang onto itself before we attach the mufflers to the car.
So we're gonna go from here, attach the two pieces together
Probably roughly right here somewhere.
so we can hang on this hanger here.
Yep.
Yeah.
I hope so. I guess we should line up the pipe first. Let's go this way. No. We should have put this pipe on first.
That's what happens when you get too excited. White pipe's a long way.
So that goes, this is right.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Yeah, that's just
That's up it. You have one job.
I put the hanger up the right side.
Mucho proud. Much proud. It'll be okay.
This is right, right? This goes this way. This is done like that. Yeah. Just leave like this.
All right, round two.
Sorry. Okay, so we've got the mid pipe on and the Y pipe on. So Sam, what are we doing next?
Put on the whistle tips.
Put on these yeet cannons.
Yeet, yeet.
Yeet cannons. Yeet cannons.
Yeet, yeet. I hate you sometimes.
What do you put on, Cam?
The whistle tips and the yeet, yeet, whoop, whoop. We have the exhaust on the car, but we haven't tightened the bolts yet. We're gonna go and slowly tighten each bolt and make sure everything lines up correctly. We have no fitment issues and no rub points.
Can you go over the points real quick for everybody?
So here is the mid pipe connected to the J pipe, and then mid pipe to the Y, and then here are the actual mufflers.
Alright guys, so we got everything snugged up. What's left to do, Sam?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
What are your first thoughts, Sam?
I like it. It fills in the exhaust gap right here. And a titanium finish, I mean. What else more could you ask for? Whistle tips go woo woo.
Alright guys, so we just finished bolting up the Invidia Q300 on his WRX. Now Sam's just wiping it down. We're going to finish it up, and then once he's done wiping it, we're going to give you guys a sound clip.
Sound clip.
Sam, what are your thoughts?
Daddy like.
You want me to step on it for you?
Yes, please. Oh, that sounds good. Lord have mercy. Ooh, baby.
All right, guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the install. If you guys found it useful or entertaining, be sure to give it a like or a subscribe. Sam, you have any final thoughts?
No.
All right, thanks for watching, guys.